Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make a superb, really simple chicken bean sprouts. Oyster sauce, onions, garlic, ginger, absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Before I get started, just to let you know, the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below for you to look at. Bean sprouts, chicken. I've got chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. You want it to cook really quickly. Onion, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, oyster sauce, spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call those, and some bell peppers just for a little bit of colour. We're going to get over to the cooker, get our wok on, start this off with some oil, and we're going to add some black pepper. Okay, so I've got my wok here, I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You need to get your oil quite hot. We're going to drop in first of all our ginger, then our onion, and our garlic. High heat. See you in 2 minutes. Keep it moving. There you go, just a couple of minutes. Get it on its way, fantastic. Next up, we're going to add our chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken breast. No skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. At this point, I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding salt to this because we're using the oyster sauce and that is very, very salty. Go ahead and add some if you want, but I don't find it necessary. Yeah, about 4 minutes, keep it moving. Super high heat all the way, guys. This is turning out to be beautiful. Right now, let's get those bell peppers in. Optional really, but nice little bit of colour, aren't they? To that, we're now going to add our bean sprouts. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. I'll see you then. That's fabulous, fabulous. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of water, cold water. Maybe a cup, half a cup maybe. And then our oyster sauce. Staying on this high heat. About another 4 minutes. Some people like their sprouts really, really cooked. I don't mind if they've got a little bit of a bite on them. See you in 4 minutes. We are pretty much done. Okay then, off goes the heat. That is looking wonderful. Very simply, green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them, in they go. Mix it in. You're done. You've got some fantastic chicken bean sprouts there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, helps us out a great deal. A thumbs up is always nice. Leave us a message, say hello, we'll see you soon, keep safe, lots of love.